the good deeds that are gifted to the deceased by the living. This also forgives our sins. The good deeds gifted by the living after we have gone away from this world. So a son of ours makes dua for us. A daughter reads Quran and gives it to us. A relative makes dua. A friend remembers us and gives charity in our name because we have benefited. So the more people we benefit when we're alive, the more they will think of us when we are dead. We all know the famous hadith that when a person dies, his amal cuts off, except for sadaqah jariyah, waladun salihin yad'u lah, knowledge that he benefited others by. So we need to maximize spreading our benefit to others, so that when we're gone, people remember, oh, he gave me a loan that day. May Allah Azza wa Jal forgive him. That one word, you do not know how it will help you when you most need it. When you most need it, that word might help you and cause a major sin of yours to be forgiven. You gave charity to the orphan, and the orphan grows up and he remembers, oh Allah, whoever helped me, whoever financed me, make his grave a vast place. That dua coming from the qalb of the yatim, you do not know what will happen. You built a masjid, you financed whatever. All of this will come back and benefit you when you need it the most. And therefore, one of the ways, but again, we cannot rely on this, can we? We do not know. But what can we do? We can maximize our benefit unto others. Be the most kind, the most generous, the most charitable, so that when we are gone, the people will remember us, and Allah knows what good they will do. Who will make dua for me after I'm gone? Who will make the sadaqah on my behalf? Who will go for Hajj and Umrah and mention my name before they do that? That's what I need to think of from now, to plant those seeds from now. And that will also be of the major ways that the person will be forgiven. And there is a famous hadith that a person will be rising in his qabr, and he will say to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, oh Allah, where are these good deeds coming from? Well, how am I rising up, getting higher and higher? And Allah will say, this is the dua of your son after you. This is the dua of your children after you. So how will this happen? When you raise your children to remember you. When you raise your children as good Muslims, then the dua will come back. Allah